In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows Update error 0x80070643 KB5034441. We will talk about three methods and I'm pretty sure these methods will help you and fix your problem completely. So watch the complete video. And if you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section which method helped you to fix this error message. Method 1. Windows Troubleshoot. Click on Windows icon, click on this gear icon, click on Settings, click on Update and Security. On the left hand side, click on Troubleshoot. Here you need to click on Additional Troubleshooters. You will see Windows Update. Click on it. Click on Run the Troubleshooter. After running this troubleshooter, make sure to restart your computer. Method 2. Command Prompt. Here you need to copy these commands and you need to paste these commands in the notepad. For to visit this page, you simply need to type how to fix install error 0x80070643 Windows 11 and you need to type the website name Tej Advice and you will see this article. You need to click on this link. Once you'll be on this page, you simply need to come down to method 2, the command prompt option. Copy these commands. Once you'll copy it, click in the search and type notepad, click on open and here you need to paste the command. Click on file, select save as, select desktop and you need to type the file name here. Let's type R and then you need to give the extension name .pat and click on save. Once you'll do that, you will see this bat file in here like a gear icon. Do a right click and select run as administrator. Click on yes. And this will start the process. This will stop the Windows services and restart them again. As you can see every information in the command. This will stop this services, this one and this one. After stopping it, this will run all of these commands and start all of the services again. After running this, you simply need to restart your computer and I'm pretty sure this method will fix your problem. If not, then follow our method 3. Resize the partition. Here you need to resize the partition. There could be a possibility you do not have enough space. Because of that, you're not able to update your Windows. So you need to add some extra space in your partition so that you can update your Windows. Open this page and here you can see all of the command that what are the options you need to choose. Let me minimize this one and open the command prompt. For that, type in here CMD in the search and select run as administrator. Click on yes and here you need to copy paste all of the command mentioned in this page. So let me minimize this one and let me move left hand side and now we need to simply copy paste all of these commands. Just do it really quick. And you need to select the disk. Here you can see that. Paste here and you need to select the disk in which OS is installed. So we have OS installed in disk 0. So you will see that information in here. Simply type the disk number, disk 0 and press enter. Here we need to select the primary partition with the higher volume. So let's select the part in which we have Windows 10 installed. So I have Windows installed in partition 2. So let me select 2, press enter. Now I need to shrink some space from the main drive to the recovery drive so that we can have extra space, install the updates on our Windows PC. So paste this command and press enter. You simply need to copy paste all of these commands and you need to understand what are the options you need to select and I'm pretty sure you will able to do that very easily by following these simple commands. Copy paste this command. Here you need to select the recovery partition and we have the recovery partition 3 here. So select part and press 3 and press enter. Partition 3 is now selected and copy this command and paste in here. Delete the partition, overwrite and press enter. Here you can see that disk successfully deleted the selected partition. Now here we need to understand we have the GPT drive or we have an MBR drive. If you have a GPT drive, then you need to copy paste all of these commands. If you have an MBR drive, you need to copy paste all of these commands. For to understand which drive you have, you simply need to scroll it up. In the GPT section, you will see an asterisk sign in here. if you have a GPT drive. If you do not have GPT drive and you cannot see an asterisk sign in here, that means you have an MBR drive. In my case, I have an MBR drive, so I need to copy paste all of these commands. So scroll it down and copy this command and paste in here. Create partition primary ID 27. This is for to check that you have the partition ready or not. If you do not want to check the volume, then you can simply copy this command and paste here and leave the disk partition, and then you need to re-enable the services. Copy paste this command and this will enable this services. After running all of these commands, simply restart your computer, click on Windows icon, click on power icon and restart your computer. So that's how you can fix Windows Update error 0x80070643 on your Windows 10. If you are facing any problem related to Windows 10, Windows 11, Ubuntu, your smartphone, you can visit to our forum page. I'm displaying the name on your screen right now. You can visit there and you can ask your question. So that's all for today.